Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Let's make today a custard. You can use custard to fill eclairs, cream puffs, pastry, tarts. Usually when you make any kind of custard like fillings, you start cooking your sugars with milk and then bring to the boil and then add slowly to the eggs. Make sure it's you temper eggs, then you pour it all back. So it's kind of sounds very long story, so I like to make mine much easier than that, and I thought I will show you. All right, so for my custard, here's my pot that I'm gonna cook it in. So I'm gonna have my sugar, okay, and I'm gonna add my cornstarch already right now. All right, so I'm gonna add everything that I need. Okay, and I'm gonna take the whisk and mix your sugar with cornstarch until it all combined, and you don't see any separate clumps. See, like it's all together. Okay, then I'm gonna add just a splash of milk that needed for the recipe, just a little bit, so moisten my mixture. All right, just a little more. So just enough so you form a kind of paste looking. All right, maybe a little more. Again, just a little bit. There we go. See? Like that, so you don't have any clumps of cornstarch. Now I'm gonna add my egg yolks to this. So I'm gonna save the whites for something else. Okay, and now mix it all together really nicely. So because mixture is still so thick and there's granular sugar inside, so I feel like it helps to break up the egg. Like so. So mix it real good. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Now just add the rest of the milk. Okay. Mix it all up. All right, that looks nice. And now let's cook our custard. And make sure you constantly mix it. We'll bring it to boil. All right, now it starts coming to a boil. Continue mix. Just make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. All right, now watch our foam. See how it's foam? And you can see it start thickening already. Look at that. See, and our foam disappeared completely. So just get it one more moment. And that's it, take it off the heat. All right, take clean container and put our custard inside. Like so. And then make sure you put plastic wrap right over it and make sure it touches the surface of your custard. I know it's hot, so just be careful. So it looks like that. That way, when it cools, it will be nice and creamy, or if you leave it open, it will be air dry on top and will form the crust on you. So make sure that doesn't happen. All right. So here's our custard, it's ready. So cool it off completely, put it in the fridge for a couple hours or overnight, and it's ready to go. And of course, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your family and friends. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.